Hello everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial, and in this video I will show you how you can fix incoming or outgoing calls problem in Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro or Note 10 Pro Max. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're new to this channel. So to fix incoming and outgoing calls or your incoming call not showing on display or outgoing call problem in Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro or Note 10 Pro Max, first of all just go to call settings and follow every step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.